Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SSO login to your web app with Azure AD detailed guide step by step clearly. Create an Azure Active Directory tenant if you don't have one already. Log into the Azure portal at portal.azure.com. On the left sidebar, locate and click on Azure Active Directory. In the Azure Active Directory blade, select App Registrations. Click on New Registration to create a new application. Enter a name for your application. Choose the appropriate account type, typically accounts in this organizational directory only. In the redirect URI, enter the URI where Azure should redirect users after signing in. Click Register to create your app registration. Once registered, navigate to the Overview section of your app. Take note of the application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID. Now, go to the Certificates and Secrets section. Click on New Client Secret. Add a description for the secret and select an expiration period. Click Add and make sure to copy the secret value immediately, as it won't be shown again. Next, navigate to the API Permissions section. Click on Add a Permission. Select Microsoft Graph and then Delegated Permissions. In the list that appears, choose the permissions your application requires, such as user or read. Click Add Permissions to finalize your selection. You may need to click on Grant Admin Consent for your organization to apply these permissions. Now, configure your web application to use Azure AD for authentication. Install the necessary libraries for handling Azure AD authentication in your application. Common libraries include Microsoft Identity Web for .NET applications or MSAL.js for JavaScript applications. In your application code, set up the authentication middleware using the client ID, tenant ID, and client secret. Point the application to Azure's token endpoint for authentication. Define routes for login and logout actions. In your web app, implement the necessary UI for users to initiate login via Azure. Test the authentication flow to ensure everything is working correctly. Review the application logs for any errors during login attempts. Once confirmed, deploy your web application to a production environment. Regularly monitor for updates and security best practices regarding Azure AD authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.